Vjosa Osmani-Sadriu is a Kosovar Albanian jurist. She is the president of Kosovo since April 2021, after she was acting president between November 2020 and March 2021. She was the Speaker of the Assembly of Kosovo from February 2020 to March 2021. Osmani was born in 1982 in Mitrovica, then a part of the SFR Yugoslavia. She finished elementary and high school in her hometown. Osmani completed her bachelor's degree from the University of Pristina in Kosovo. In 2005 she completed her Master of Laws from the University of Pittsburgh. During that degree, she was twice awarded the Excellence for the Future Award by the university. From 2009 to 2014 she completed her doctoral studies at the same university, again at the Pittsburgh School of Law. She is a professor at the University of Pristina and RIT Kosovo and taught as the visiting professor at the University of Pittsburgh. Osmani's political career began in her teens as an activist for the center-right Democratic League of Kosovo. On 27 August 2009, she was elected Chief of Staff, Legal Counsel and Advisor on Foreign Policy for then-President of the Republic of Kosovo, Fatmir Secdeu. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.